Okay, so for file upload, you must be like there might be a scenario wherein you need to choose a file on a web page, right? So while doing the automation, you need to choose a file in a web page which needs to be uploaded there, right? So you cannot skip that step when as in like when you are trying to do end-to-end automation, right? So you will have to choose the file from your system, and then you have to submit that file or whatever the action which is associated with that file, right? So you can do this file upload using your send keys method, right? So send keys API, what we have in Selenium to send the text, right? So that can be useful to uh, upload the file. So send keys can be used to upload the file on the web page. There are two other ways also. The first is auto IT and the second is robot class. So we will be talking about this only because for our purpose, this would be enough, right? So send keys also does the same job. Okay, now we will see how we can upload any of the files. So for that, I will have to uh, take the code from here, whatever the code we can copy from the previous let me take the code until here because it would be same only. So file upload. So I'm setting up the property, I'm instantiating Chrome driver, then maximizing page load time add, and then implicit wait, right? And then driver.get to navigate to that URL, right? So this URL I'm taking for example, right? So here I am having an option to upload the file. So driver.get, and then once I navigate to that web page, I will have to inspect this choose file element. So for that, I will have to write identify any of the suitable locator for this, and so when I mouse over on this element, you see the tag for this should be input, right? So this is necessary, and the type of this should be file, right? So whenever you see this kind of choose a file, right? So the tag should be input and the type should be file, then only it would be eligible for upload a file. And therein you will find other attributes also like ID, name, or whatever. So you can use any of the unique locator from here. Let's say I'm taking the ID from here, and I am writing like driver dot find element by dot ID, and then this dot send keys. And in send keys, I will have to pass the path of the file which I want to upload. So let's say I want to upload this file only, whatever I had in my C drive for, let's say, testing. And this I have to get the path of this file, and I will give the path here, and then that's it. So once I run this, it would actually upload the file, and then I will have to click on this checkbox, right? And then I have to submit. So though it is not needed, but yeah, for the sake of completion, I can show you. So this again is having ID. So I can click on this ID. So driver.find element by dot ID, and then dot click. Okay, and then yeah, let it be here until here only, because if I submit, then you won't be able to see what actually is happening there. So code wise, we are done. Close other tabs, and let's save and then run this. You would see that this testing.txt is actually uploaded there. Can you see this testing.txt, Sitara?
Yes.
Yeah. So using this, you can simply do. Once I submit this, it would be actually navigate to the next page.
Okay. So do we have any limitations for file types, or we can enter, like we can upload any file types using SendCase?
We can upload any type file type as long as it is accepted by your web page.
Okay.
So wherever, I mean, if I want to upload any PDF file, I can do that also. So let's see if I am having any PDF file here. Or any Word file, Word doc or anything, whichever is accepted by your this test data file, let's say XLS file. So okay, so this time I'm taking the XLS file. HTML file or CSV file, doc, PDF, XLS. Yeah, so test data.xls can be uploaded. I don't have any issue in passing the file to this path if it is supported here. I mean, it would be supported here, but not sure if while submitting it, it might give some error because if the file type is not supported by that web.
At least we can upload it.
Yeah,
based
we
on the
can try uploading here, but I'm not sure if it would be supported. I mean, mostly it would be supported, but yeah, so that might be the condition only.
Okay.
So likewise, you can try PDF, HTML or anything, any other file type. It's only simple only.